Alright, I got the family. Got a little Brody in the back seat. Got my girlfriend Kelly. And you guys know me. We're heading to Cocoa Beach, a little getaway.
For spring break. Woo!
Yeah, getting out of Ocala finally.
We got rid of the dog.
We don't say that. We got our fishing poles. We got our beach stuff. We're gonna let's see if we can have some fun and maybe catch a couple fish while we're there.
Yep.
All right, stay tuned.
All right, so first stop's gonna be Target. Get all the necessities.
Cut that part out.
You happy now, Brody?
If we're heading out with my seats, Justin has a slushy, which is the cameraman right now.
Yeah.
And we're just,
Are you ready to go to the beach?
yep.
Making Kelly do all the work.
Always.
Why are you still wearing a mask?
Got pretzel, the slushies,
Heading out.
and heading out.
Heading out like Trout.
What?
Our distance talking. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Halfway there.
Woo! Oh
I woo a lot.
Exciting.
Yep. 68 more minutes. Less than an hour.
We got 1 hour left, Brody. Halfway there. On the road again.
I can't.
On the road again. We gotta make our own sing-along road trip songs. On the road again. We just got passed by a Tesla.
My ear inside my cup again.
Hey, look, a boat. A nice day for a drive.
Are we there yet?
No, Brody, just that. That's pretty cool, ain't it, Brody? Going up.
One.
There she is. That's a big boat.
And that is a giant boat. Where's our hotel at?
We made it.
Where's our hotel?
We're going to the water first. We're gonna go check out the jetty. We're gonna go scope out the fishing spots. We made it.
We finally made it.
We're gonna go check out the jetty here. Where do you think we're gonna go fishing, Brody?
It says there's a fishing here straight ahead.
Where does it say that?
At the very top of the sign.
Right there? There's a fishing pier this way? There in Port Canaveral.
Let's go see where some fishies at.
Now we gotta go find some fish. It's a pretty big anchor.
Hi, you guys.
He's making his way to the ocean.
Oh my God.
He's almost there.
Beach.
Where are the fish gonna be at, Brody?
No idea, but I think some sheep.
What kind of fish is that, Brody?
I think it's a sheep's head.
A little sheep's head. You happy, Brody?
Yeah, chicken. We got chicken.
Yeah.
You got the goods?
Alright, we're prepared today. Try to find us some fish.
Hi, Brody. Hey, bud.
Hello.
What are we doing?
Going to beach park. Here's part. Good, Mom.
You gotta go down that slide.
Which side?
This one right here. Are you serious? How? Brody! Brody in his wet pants.
My catch of the day. I'm slaying them, whatever they are. Ton of these little rockfish. Can't even catch bait.
Gotta find where the fish are. Got Justin posted up. Where are you digging? We got a trout.
A little thinky guy.
At least it's something. What you got, buddy? Nothing?
Not a trout. It's a bigger one.
Oh, big
Right
boy.
at the friggin' boat ramp. Kelly Park boat ramp and a trout.
And of course, the trout. Got me a trout.
water out of the wind.
No.
Got it. The no-name hurricane of Cocoa Beach. Channel 7 News. Smile.
You're doing great, bud. You're just in 8th place, but it's okay. Yeah, you're doing great.
Come on. I just got passed. Get him, Brody. Are you ready to go?
Oh, hey guys, we're gonna do a TikTok challenge, and whoever wins rock, paper, scissors, shoot is going to decide where we're gonna eat, what we're gonna drink.
So we've already eaten dinner. So now we're just going out for dessert. And drinks. So we're gonna get something to drink and dessert, and we might do like one of those smoothie things somewhere. But whoever wins the rock, paper, scissors, shoot is the decider of where we go. So we don't know who wants to go where yet. Are you guys ready to start round one?
Yeah, baby.
Alrighty. I'm gonna hold the phone, so I only have one hand to do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who's the winner? Are we all scissors?
Yes!
Alrighty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got paper.
I
Alright, so me and Brody have beat Mom. Alright, Brody, me and you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win, so I won. And I'm gonna pick McDonald's for a smoothie. How about that? 'Cause I like their strawberry banana smoothie is my favorite.
That is exactly what I wanted.
Boo.
That means we both can get it because we beat your mom, right? So you get, then we got to do another round after we get McDonald's. All right, we'll see you in the drive-thru. There it is.
The Golden Arches.
McDonald's. Justin's choice. Because I'm the winner.
Small,
Small.
right? And then he's
I see. One for you. One for Brody.
Yay!
And one for me.
Cheers!
Cheers.
We all got what we want. Who's ready for round two?
Me.
Yummy.
This is gonna be a yummy round.
Is this ice cream?
Who's gonna win
There's already
this
a ton
one?
of sugar in this.
And that.
I think
Alright.
this kid's gonna be wired tonight. Alrighty.
Are we ready?
Let's hope Brody doesn't win.
Oh, come on, Jesse. You can be
Ready?
zero.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wow, how do we always pick scissors?
All right, people.
There we go.
Round two. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Oh, crap. I hate when she wins.
Yeah, me too.
What do you want?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. What are we getting at Taco
what
Bell?
And what do you want?
It'll be a surprise.
Alright, see you soon.
The bell of the taco. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. We get too excited about that. We're going on a trip.
Here we go.
Try
12-pack of what?
Cinnabon Delights. Can I get a 12-pack of the Cinnabon Delights?
What you got on
I
there?
got the goods.
What are these things? Ooh,
Cinnabon Delights.
give me one of them.
So good.
Dessert time. Oh yeah. Mm.
My mom has to feed Justin cinnamon.
Birdie, was it that drink you had there? Looks like you got an alcohol drink next to you. Alright, that's it for Cocoa Beach.
Yep.
We're heading back.
Over.
Spring break's over.
Back to Ocala we go.
Pick up the puppies.
You missed the dogs?
Yeah, but we're picking them up.
I'll get the doggies on the way home.
Yep.
Got a long ride home. We missed the puppies, so we're leaving early.
And the weather blows.
Yeah, we got this overcast sky,
Yeah.
20-mile-an-hour winds, maybe more. Doesn't make the beach too enjoyable.
Yeah.
We made the best of it.
Until next time, Coco.
And your next spring break. On the road again.
Here we go.
Bye, Cocoa Beach.
Bye, Coco.
We're getting our pups. Getting our pups.
Time to get the doggies.
Yep.
Zozo.
Got our dogs. We got our dogs.
We got our dogs back.
Back in here. Let back in here. Zozo, at least this Zozo.
Careful.
In the car, go.
She's like, I'm ready.